In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to compare stocks inside of Yahoo Finance. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to finance.yahoo.com like you usually would, and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll need to go up to the search bar up here and search for one of the specific tickers that you want to compare to another stock. So let's just click MasterCard right here. Let's choose that right here. Then from here, you'll need to go down to the chart down here and go over to advanced chart. Now, once you get inside of advanced chart, it should look something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to the right hand side where you'll see the settings tab up here. But right to the left of that, you'll see the comparison. Once you click on that, you can click and search for a new ticker, and you can click Visa, for example, and then you'll be able to compare the both charts like so. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!